just a few words about the instrument which can be used to investigate molecules, cells, and tissues. The NanoWizard AFM family consists of a fully motorized NanoWizard 5 or older models, and additionally we are supporting a automated Celium 300. That is a system with an increased C range, and that is optimized for cell adhesion experiments and also to investigate cell and tissue mechanics. The ForceRobot 400 is designed for automated molecule force spectroscopy. Both systems, or NanoWizard the family and the spectroscopy, can be equipped with the FluidFM unit, right? The NanoRacer is a video rate AFM image tool, and the optical tweezers, the NanoTracker 2, they are actually not compatible with the FluidFM setup. If you want to work with the AFM and the FluidFM tool, then you need an inverted optical microscope. And we also supporting a correlative microscopy approach that you can combine AFM-based data with the optical one. And how we do that as an example that will come during the talk and also during the live demo. To use the AFM in a multi-user facility, then it's very helpful to have a workflow-based software interface at what we created with the new software version V8. And from left to right and from top to bottom, you will guide through the process step by step. And choose experiment means you can select, okay, now I want to go for force spectroscopy or QI imaging or whatever. The setup experiment means you will guide how to install the cantilever on the glass with the cantilever holder on the AFM head, how to adjust the laser and to adjust also the full quadrant photodiode. And then you go to navigate, where you can change the position of the sample to optical overlay and direct tiling for a larger overview. And finally, you acquire the data you want to get. That means it's a good way to support the user in a multi-user facility, right? For how we do the support for the FluidFM, that is also supported in the standard way. We have a separate available flow control software, which is very similar in the flexibility as the Cora software from Cytosurge. You control the air pressure, you can set a release function pulse, or do also a negative pulse for aspirate. You can use the barcode to get the image and the information from the cantilever you want to use. For the software integration itself, we will support you with the process icons. You see that here as part of the advanced force ramp designer, or alternatively with the experiment planner. And so you can load and modify and save different processes which are already predefined, for example, cell injection or nanospotting or cell pickup. The FluidFM works very well with the new software modules, so-called smart mapping, both in force spectroscopy and in the mapping. The advantages of the optimized curve control with automated Z positioning can be used, and that is very advantage if you have to bridge larger distances, right? And initially you have the functionality for non-regular area selections, and also an automated laser alignment adjustment if you go for the auto align heads, if you go for FluidFM based mapping analysis. How it works in reality, that is shown here in that small movie. So we did a direct overlay. You see a cell layer of cells, and we acquire an transmission light image and then switch to fluorescence. So at 4 different positions. So that is why you have a set image pattern. So we stain the cells with DAPI, and then we did the fluorescence stuff with the to stain the nucleus, the cytoplasm. Then you select the area you want to investigate for mapping, for example. And in addition, that is what you see here, the motion control, where we control how far away you will get for, with the motors, as well with the piezo, to be on the safe side, to be more away from the surface. Then you can select the area. You can erase also some specific regions to minimize the contact if you don't want to investigate that area specifically, and then you can operate in the mapping process to get multi-parametric readout out. So that works quite nice. So, and coming to that integration of the Cytosurge FluidFM with a BioAFM. Thomas here has already presented some FluidFM application examples in a wonderful way. And here I would like to recapitulate the 4 main applications. We are supporting that the cell injection, cell adhesion, colloidal force spectroscopy, and spotting.